Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Flow, where learning English is easy, relaxed, and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home. It is a beautiful sunny morning to practice English together.
It really is, Kevin. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and I feel full of energy. How are you feeling today?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. Today, I am drinking fresh orange juice. It is cold, sweet, and helps me wake up.
Fresh orange juice. That sounds delicious. It is the perfect drink for a bright morning. Vitamin C is very good for your brain.
It is. I am feeling healthy, happy, and ready to learn.
That is wonderful. I am happy to hear that.
And Emma, before we start, we have a small favor to ask our friends.
Yes, if you like our video, please click the like button. It is a small click for you, but it helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to English Daily Flow. Join our family.
Kevin, today we have a very important topic. It is the first step of English.
The first step, is it the ABCs?
No, it is how to introduce yourself.
Ah, the introduction. This is very important.
Yes, imagine you go to a party or a new job, or you meet a new friend. What is the first thing you say?
Usually I freeze. I get nervous. I say hello. And then I stop.
That is very common. Many students know English grammar, but they don't know how to introduce themselves smoothly.
Yes, I want to sound confident. I want to say who I am, where I'm from, and what I do.
Today, we will build your perfect introduction. We will break it down into small, easy steps. By the end of this coffee, or orange juice, you will be an expert.
I am ready. Let's start with the beginning, the greeting.
Okay, when you meet someone, you must say hello, but there are different ways.
Yes, I know hello.
Hello is perfect. It is formal and polite. You can use it with anyone, your boss, your teacher, or your friend.
What about hi?
Hi is a little more relaxed. It is friendly.
And hey?
Hey is very casual. Use hey only with friends or family. Don't say hey to your boss.
Okay, so if I meet the president, I say hello. If I meet my friend, I say hey.
Exactly. Also, you can use the time of day. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
I like good morning. It sounds very professional.
So, step 1 is simple. Hello. Now, step 2, your name.
This is easy. I am Kevin.
Yes, I'm Kevin. Or you can use the short form, I'm Kevin.
I'm Kevin.
There's another way. Do you know it?
My name is Kevin.
Correct. My name is Kevin. Both are perfect.
Is one better than the other?
No, they are the same. I'm Kevin is slightly faster. My name is Kevin is slightly more formal.
Okay. Emma, sometimes people have a long name, but they want a short name.
Ah, a nickname.
Yes. For example, my name is Kevin, but my friends call me Kev.
You can add that to your introduction. You can say, my name is Kevin, but you can call me Kev.
You can call me Kev. That's a cool phrase.
Yes, it makes you sound friendly.
Okay. So, hello, my name is Kevin. What's next?
Next, people usually want to know where you are from.
The location.
Yes, we use the phrase, I am from.
I am from France. I am from Brazil. I am from India.
Exactly. This tells us your country or your city.
Can I say I come from?
Yes, I come from Japan. That is also correct.
Emma, there's a confusing part. What if I was born in one country, but now I live in a different country?
That is a great question. You need 2 sentences. Sentence 1, I am from country A, origin. Sentence 2, but I live in country B, current.
Ah, but I live in.
Let's practice. Imagine you are from Spain, but you live in London.
Okay. Hello, I'm Kevin. I'm from Spain, but I live in London.
Perfect. That gives the full picture.
What if I want to be specific? I live in London. Can I say who I live with?
You can. I live with my family, or I live alone.
I live alone. That sounds a bit sad.
No, it sounds independent.
Okay, so we have name and location. What is the next important thing?
Usually people ask, what do you do?
This means my job.
Yes, to answer this, we say, I am a job.
I am a teacher. I am a doctor.
Be careful with the small word a or n.
Ah, the articles.
If your job starts with a consonant sound, use a. I am a teacher. I am a doctor.
And if it starts with a vowel sound, like engineer,
Use n. I am an engineer. I am an actor.
I am an artist.
Exactly. Many students forget the a. They say, I am teacher. That is wrong.
I am a teacher. I will remember the A. It's small but important.
Kevin, what if I work for a big company? Can I say the company name?
Yes, you can say I work at company name.
Or I work for company name?
I work for Google. I work at a bank.
Perfect. And what if you are a student?
I am a student.
And if you are looking for a job?
I am waiting.
I am currently looking for a job.
I am currently looking for a job. That sounds very professional.
Yes, currently means right now.
Okay, so I have hello, I am Kevin. I am from Spain. I am a teacher.
You are doing great. Now let's talk about age.
Numbers.
Kevin, this is where many students make a big mistake, a huge mistake.
Really? What is the mistake?
In some languages, you say, I have 20 years.
Yes, in my language, we use the verb to have.
In English, that is wrong. Never say, I have 20 years.
So what is the correct verb?
The verb to be, you say, I am 20 years old.
I am, not I have.
I am 25. She is 30. He is 40.
Okay, this is a very important rule. I am Kevin. I am 25 years old.
Yes, or just, I am 25. You don't need to say years old every time.
I am 25. That is shorter. I like short.
So never say I have, okay?
Promise. I am.
Good. Now you have the basics. Name, place, job, age. But this sounds a little robotic.
Yes, it is just facts. We need some personality.
Exactly. We need to talk about hobbies.
Hobbies, what I like to do.
The easiest phrase is, I like.
I like football. I like pizza.
Good, but if you use a verb, an action, you usually add ing.
ing. Can you give an example?
Instead of I like play football, say I like playing football.
I like reading. I like cooking.
Exactly. I like listening to music.
I like drinking orange juice.
Perfect. That is a great sentence.
Is there another way to say I like? Because I like is very simple.
Yes, you can say I enjoy.
I enjoy reading. That sounds a little more fancy.
Or if you love it very much, you can say I love.
I love traveling.
And if you want to sound very natural, you can say in my free time, I like.
In my free time, that is a good opener.
In my free time, I like watching movies.
Okay, so now people know what I do for fun.
Kevin, sometimes in an introduction, people mention their family, just a little bit.
Like we talked about before.
Yes, you don't need to tell the whole history, just a simple sentence.
Like I have one sister.
Yes, or I come from a big family.
I come from a small family.
Or if you are married, I am married and I have 2 children.
That is a nice detail. It helps people know you better.
So we have all the pieces. Now we need to close the introduction.
How to finish.
You cannot just stop talking and walk away.
I like pizza. Bye.
No, you need a polite phrase. The most common is, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Or, it is a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure is a strong word. It means happiness.
Yes, it is very polite.
And then I smile.
Yes, a smile is part of the language.
Okay. Emma, I think I have all the ingredients for the introduction soup.
Let's review the ingredients. Greeting, hello. Name, I am Kevin. Location, I am from. Job, I am a. Age, I am. Hobbies, I like. Closing, nice to meet you.
That is a perfect list.
Now, Kevin, I want you to put it all together. Imagine you are at a party. You don't know anyone. Introduce yourself to the listeners.
Okay, I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Speak slowly. Remember, clarity is better than speed.
Okay, here I go. Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin. I am from Ireland, but I live in London.
Very good. Keep going.
I am a teacher. I am 25 years old.
Excellent.
In my free time, I enjoy reading books and drinking fresh orange juice.
Lovely.
It is nice to meet you all.
Kevin, that was perfect.
Really? It was okay?
It was clear, confident, and friendly. You didn't hesitate.
I felt good. I followed the steps.
Now let's try a variation. Imagine you are in a job interview. It needs to be a little more formal.
Okay, formal mode on. I will sit up straight.
Good posture. Go ahead.
Good morning. My name is Kevin Smith.
Full name. Good point. Use full name for work.
I am from Dublin. I am an English teacher.
I am an English teacher. Very good grammar.
I am currently looking for a new opportunity.
Wow, opportunity. That's a great word.
I enjoy teaching and helping students learn.
It is a pleasure to meet you.
It is a pleasure to meet you.
Kevin, you are hired.
Yes, I got the job.
You see, the structure is the same. You just change the words a little bit.
It's not as scary as I thought.
No, it's just a pattern. Once you memorize the pattern, you can say it anytime.
Kevin, I have one more question.
Yes?
What if I forget a word? What if I forget how to say engineer?
Don't panic. Just say, I work in and the industry.
I work in computers. I work in education.
Exactly. Keep it simple. Simple is always better than silence.
Simple is better than silence. I like that rule.
So, Kevin, now that you're an expert, do you want to introduce me?
Oh, okay. Let me try to introduce Emma.
Go ahead.
This is Emma. She is from... Actually, where are you from, Emma?
I'm from the UK.
She is from the UK. She is an amazing teacher.
Thank you.
She likes drinking coffee? No, tea.
I like both.
She likes coffee and tea. And it is nice to meet her.
Thank you, Kevin. That was a lovely introduction.
It's fun to introduce other people too.
Yes, we use this is to introduce a friend. This is Kevin.
We never say he is Kevin.
No, when you introduce someone for the first time, say this is Kevin.
This is my friend John.
Exactly. We learned so much today. Greetings, name, origin, job, age, I am, not I have, hobbies, closing.
You have the full toolkit.
Now, Kevin, have you challenge for our friends listening at home?
Yes, this is the most important challenge ever.
Yes, this is the most important challenge ever.
Tell us in the comments. Introduce yourself.
Write your introduction in the comments. Use the steps we taught you. Hello, my name is... I am from... I am a... I like.
We want to meet you. We want to know our family.
Yes, don't be shy. This is a safe place to practice.
If you make a mistake, it's okay. We are all learning.
Thank you for joining us on this sunny morning.
Drink your juice, be happy.
And practice your introduction in the mirror.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.